Hi and welcome to the screencast. Tonight I'm going to solve some of the problems you might see on tomorrow's quiz on percents. Alright, in the first problem here I'm asked what percent of 150 is 52. So I always start these percent problems by, if I'm using the is over of approach, by drawing a proportion with 100 in the denominator of the second fraction. Once I get that, I need to decide what goes in the is position, what goes in the of position, what goes in the numerator of the fraction, and what goes in the denominator. Actually, the denominator is 100, so we already know what's there. Excuse me. Okay, so let me look. With this problem, of is 150. The is 52, and the what goes with the percent, so that's my variable. So now I'm going to solve by cross-multiplying. So I get 150x equals 52 times 100. And then if I divide by 150, I'm going to find out what my percent value is. So I'm going to use my calculator to do that. So let me add a calculator. Okay, so now I need to do 52 times 100 and then divided by 150. And let me get that as a decimal. Let me do it again. Times 100 divided by 150. Okay, so that's 3.46, and I'm around to 3.5%. And I'm all set. Okay, in the next problem I'm asked to find the percent change between 72 to 33. So that means 72 is going to be my initial value, 33 is the final value, so it's going to be initial, and 33 is the final. So the formula is final minus initial all over initial, and then times 100. That means I'm going to do 33 minus 72 divided by 33, and then I'm going to multiply that times 100. 33 minus 72 is for negative 49, so I get, actually no, I'm sorry, so I get 39. So I get negative 39 over 33. Oh, and actually, I can see that my initial, if I was right. There, that's better. Alright, so I need to do 39 over 72, and then I need to multiply by 100. So 39 divided by 72 is that, and that times 100 gives me 54.2. And that's negative 54.2, so now I have a decrease. And I'm all set. Okay, the first words in tonight's sentence are how now. Okay. Mark and his brother bought their parents' anniversary present. 3/4 of the original price was $54. Sales tax of 7% was added. Mark contributed twice as much as his brother. How much did Mark contribute? Okay, so first of all, let's find out what the price of the item is. So 3/4 of it was 54, and I make x equal to the price. Then I'm going to solve for x by multiplying by 4/3. And that gives me 54 times 4 divided by 3. So let's see, that's 54 times 4 divided by 3. And that's $72. Okay, so that means $72 is the original price. Then sales tax of 7% was added. So to find the new price, I'm going to multiply by 1.07. So that would be 72 times 1.07 is 7704. Okay, so that's the price after sales tax. Now it says that Mark contributed twice as much as his brother. Okay, well, one way to think of this is Okay, if his brother contributed X, then Mark would have contributed 2X. Okay, so the total is 7704, so that would be X plus 2X equals 7704, or 3X equals 7704. Then divide by 3. So 7704 divided by 3 is 2568. So that's Mark's brother contribution. Then Mark's contribution would be twice that, which is 5120, 5136. So Mark is going to be 5136. And the other few words in tonight's sentence are brown cow. Alright, hope you found this helpful. Get a good night's sleep, and we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.